In this video, I'll show you how to block ads on Safari on iPhone. The first thing to know is that iPhone does not have one built-in Block All Ads button in Safari. Apple's built-in setting mainly lets you block pop-ups, and for stronger ad blocking, Apple says you need a content blocker app, which works through Safari extensions. Start by opening Settings on your iPhone, then tap Apps, tap Safari, and turn on Block Pop-ups. Apple says this helps stop pop-up ads and unwanted windows while browsing. You can also turn on fraudulent website warning in the same area for extra protection against suspicious sites. If you want stronger ad blocking, go to the App Store and download a trusted content blocking app. After installing it, go back to Settings, tap Apps, tap Safari, then tap Extensions. Open the blocker you installed and turn on Allow Extension. Apple says this is the normal way to enable Safari extensions and content blockers on iPhone. You can even turn on more than one content blocker if needed. Apple says Safari supports multiple content blockers at the same time. So the simple process is turn on block pop-ups, install a content blocker app, enable it in Safari extensions, and then browse with fewer ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.